2018 Jeep Cherokee Trailhawk. Beautiful hydro blue pearl paint. Remote start, push button start vehicle. Automatic headlights with fog lights. Blacked out aluminum alloy wheels with good tires. Tinted windows. Power liftgate. Rear cargo mat. Nice well-kept black leather interior. All-weather floor mats throughout. Power windows, locks, and mirrors with memory driver's seat. Panoramic sunroof. Large opening. Heated and cooled front row seats. Heated steering wheel. For 90-day trial of Sirius XM satellite radio. Backup camera. This thing is loaded and nice. Hands-free, Bluetooth, smart cruise, steering wheel controls. Four-wheel drive. Just over 76,000 miles. Y'all come by and see us at U-Cars.